I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs, Apparel, and Products celebrates your dedication to promoting the use of facts, scientific evidence, and uncorrupted data to guide decision-making and foster well-being. The I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs brand is yours because you support informed choices and fact-based living. I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs, Apparel, and Products are more than just things. They are tangible affirmations that encourage you to build a fulfilling life for yourself, your family, and your community. With I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs, Affirmation, Apparel, and Products, you can support your belief in community well-being through research and evidence-driven insights. Join the movement, be the change, start living your best life today, and let I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs, Affirmation, Apparel, and Products help you. Visit us at IAmProduct.Store.